Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, if we're looking at the overall crypto market cap today, you guys can see we are currently trading at $2.16 trillion. We're up 1.1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 39.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are starting to see green across the board once again in the last 24 hours. But if we are looking at the bigger picture, the last 7 days, we're still seeing majority of the market still down quite a bit. But I believe this is a very healthy correction that we needed, and we will start to see us having a reversal very, very soon. But overall, so far so good. But today, guys, I want to look at none other than Bittorrent. It's been a while since I have covered Bittorrent, and I would like to apologize for my Bittorrent family. I'm bringing you guys just that. So if we're looking at the Bittorrent's price right now, you guys can see we're currently trading at 0.004 cents. We're up 3.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also percent in Bitcoin comparative in just the last 24 hours. Bittorrent's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 59 spot. Market cap right now is $2.67 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $641.8 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for BTT, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 1,000%. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices for Bittorrent. But now let's deep dive into the charts and see what's exactly going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So as you guys can see, we are still hovering around this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. If we are bringing out the measuring tool for BTT, you guys can see if you guys were able to pick up some BTT around the 0.0018 cents mark, you would be up right now as of recording this video 119%. Very solid gains being made right now as we speak, within Bittorrent. And this does not come as a surprise to me. Bittorrent does have a huge community, and it does not come as a surprise to me at all. Right now, as you guys can see, we are below this level of resistance at this 0.0041 cents mark. If we are bringing out the measuring tool, guys, that would mean we are about 5 to 6% below this level of resistance. And me personally, I would like for BTT to be above this level of resistance at all costs. I have been mentioning this for quite a while on this channel, and we were able to break above this level of resistance over the past couple days, and we went all the way up to 0.0053 cents mark, guys. That's the first time ever we were able to hit these kind of prices since this move towards the downside, when we saw the markets have a consolidation phase. We saw BGT literally bottom out, consolidate, and since then it has taken off. And so far so good. Bittorrent is one of the altcoins. A lot of people are ignoring this, guys. I have noticed this, very, very, closely. A lot of people are ignoring Bittorrent's price momentum, and I'll tell you why. Obviously there is coins such as Solana, Terra, Dogecoin such as that, or I'm sorry, not Dogecoin, but you guys get the picture. There's some altcoins that are going through the roof right now, and a lot of interest is on them as we speak. But a lot of people are not realizing how bullish the momentum and how bullish the charts are looking for Bittorrent right now. And I do believe there is some sort of big news that is coming out, and that is going to really get Bittorrent to start moving towards the upside. Because if we are going on Twitter, guys, you guys can see Justin Sun came out and tweeted this just 2 hours ago. He said, big news for TRX next week. Now you may be asking, hey Crypto ZX, what does TRX have to do with Bittorrent? Guys, let's not forget, Bittorrent is built on the Tron blockchain. And Justin Sun owns both Tron and Bittorrent. And one thing, as you guys can see, let me bring out the charts for Tron. You guys can see Tron has been on a nice move towards the upside as well. And once again, I'll mention this, people are sleeping on Tron, and I'll tell you exactly why. Tron ecosystem is growing at a very very fast rate, while people are not paying attention. If we are bringing out the measuring tool, guys, if you were able to pick up some Tron on July 20th, you guys can see you would be up right now 105.5%, and the charts are looking very very similar within Tron and BTT. You guys can see the picture. Both are within the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and they are very much correlated with one another. And right now, if we are bringing out the measuring tool from its price, which it was prior to this dip that we saw just a couple of days ago, we are currently down about 7.6%. So you guys get the picture that Tron and Bittorrent are holding quite well right now. And if this news is very big, then we could see some bullish price momentum occur for the price of Tron along with Bittorrent, because when Tron moves, all these TRC tokens are going to move up with it. And I have seen this happen over and over again because they are very much correlated with one another. But let's not forget, we do need to keep a very close eye on the price of Bitcoin as well, because you guys know this is the king of the markets, and you never know when we could see whale manipulation occur. We saw whale manipulation occur. The whales took advantage of that El Salvador news, and we saw some whales or some big accounts take some profits or manipulate the markets. More likely, more likely they were manipulating the markets, and that caused a massive dip within the Bitcoin price. And what caused, so when this happened, what happened to the entire market, guys? The entire market followed. Yes, there could be XYZ coin out there that is going to not get affected that bad, such as Solana, for instance, because it has been on a tear, but 99% of the market has reacted negatively to this dip. So that goes to show we cannot be ignoring the price of Bitcoin. So let's say Bitcoin decides to go below to $43,000, which is the next level of support. Guess what is going to happen with TRX and Bittorrent? It is going to follow that as well. So the next level of support for Bittorrent, the strong level of support is around this 0.002 cents mark, but we did see the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level support play out as well for the price of Bittorrent. So that is a plus point as well. So we could possibly revisit those prices if we were to see more downwards momentum for the Bitcoin price. But overall, I'm very very impressed how strong Bittorrent is holding, guys, and I am still a strong believer that we are going to head back to these all-time highs that we set this year. If we are bringing out the measuring tool, guys, that we're still down quite a bit from the all-time highs. We are down, as of recording this video, 70.6%. But with that being said, let's not forget how fast markets can move up towards the upside. This is a perfect example right in front of you guys. When we were around these prices, guys, I was making videos. Obviously, I was covering Bittorrent, and boy, was I getting so much negative comments within the markets. People are saying Bittorrent is done, this is it, crypto is a scam. But you know what the smart investors were doing? They were scooping up. And you know what? There's a very, very well-known saying, be fearful while others are greedy, and be greedy while others are fearful. And the people that were being greedy around these prices, they are up quite a bit right now. And always invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your own due diligence. Never throw your life savings into crypto. If you have done that, guys, then holding would be your best strategy to follow. But right now, what me personally would like for Bittorrent to do is get back above this level of resistance and gradually move back into this 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, because last time we were above this was back on, to be exact, May 18th. So I would really love for Bittorrent to get back above this level and gradually move towards this next level of resistance at the 0.007 cents mark and go back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. And then things will start looking very, very nice. I'm still a strong believer that we are going to see some newer all-time highs get set this bull cycle, but you do need to have patience. But again, keep this in mind, guys. We do need to keep a close eye on the Bitcoin price. I cannot stress this enough. If Bitcoin decides to go towards the downside, you best believe that altcoins are going to be negatively affected as well. So please keep that in mind and always do not get greedy, guys, because as fast as you can make profits in this market, that's as fast as you can lose them. So let's say Bitcoin gets back to newer all-time highs, and you should be asking yourself a question whether or not the profits that you are sitting at is too much that you cannot afford to lose. If the answer is yes, guys, it's best, as much as people hate doing this, it's best that you scale out some profits and either use that money for your personal use, because at the end of the day we are here to make money, or you could buy back the dips, because dips will occur, guys, because these markets are very much unregulated. So there are some big whales that have so much control within this market. So markets can tank very, very fast too if Bitcoin decides to go towards the downside. So please keep that in mind when you are, looking or investing into cryptocurrencies, even if it's any other coin besides Bittorrent. But I still am a strong believer in Bittorrent. I still believe, we are going to hit newer all-time highs, but patience is very much needed. But you guys know my stance on Justin Sun, guys. BTT has a big plus point, and one of the biggest plus point is the community along with Justin Sun. And I'll always say this to you guys, Justin Sun is such a huge figure, guys. When it comes to building hype, there's no one that I can think of that is better than Justin Sun in the cryptocurrency community, because he has the funds along with the connections to do so. At the end of the day, you guys know how important hype is in cryptocurrencies, and this guy is the one that can create hype. You guys, if you guys don't know, he bought this NFT, 3 Rocks NFT, just 2-3 days ago. I'm sorry, not 2-3 days ago, 2-3 weeks ago, that created headlines within the finance world. Traditional markets, Bloomberg Business, CNBC, everyone was posting about this initial NFT that was purchased, these 3 Rocks NFTs, and guess who purchased it, guys? It was Justin Sun. So you guys get the perspective as to what I'm saying. This is a huge plus point that he is behind these 2 projects, because he can bring in hype. But again, you guys do not want to get greedy when you are sitting at profits. Always scale some out. I cannot stress this enough. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. What are you guys doing right now? Let me know in the comment section below. Are you guys picking up some BTT? Are you here for the long haul? Are you here for this bull cycle? What's your strategy? Let me know in the comment section below. And where could you see Bittorrent price go at the end of this year? I would love to know your thoughts down below. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys, because this does help my channel grow a lot. So your support would be greatly appreciated. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you once again. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.